Number 1. Skill Flip Drill. The Skill Flip Drill is a versatile and innovative power tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Known for its compact design and multifunctional capabilities, the Skill Flip Drill combines a drill and a driver in one tool, making it a convenient and efficient solution for various tasks. Number 2. Kinapex 2BX. The Kinapex 2BX is a specialized tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who work with pipes and tubing. Known for its precision, durability, and innovative design, the 2BX is a versatile tool that simplifies the process of cutting, deburring, and chamfering pipes. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: multifunctionality. The Kinapex 2BX combines cutting, deburring, and chamfering functions in one tool, making it a versatile solution for pipe preparation. Eliminates the need for multiple tools, saving time and effort. Precision cutting. Equipped with high-quality cutting blades that ensure clean and precise cuts on various types of pipes, including plastic, copper, and aluminum. Number 3. Easy Edge Strap Beveler. The Easy Edge Strap Beveler is a specialized tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who work with metal straps and bands. Known for its precision, efficiency, and ease of use, the Easy Edge Strap Beveler simplifies the process of beveling the edges of metal straps, ensuring a smooth and safe finish. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: precision beveling. The Easy Edge Strap Beveler is designed to create consistent and precise bevels on the edges of metal straps and bands. Ensures smooth edges, reducing the risk of cuts and injuries during handling. Number 4. NW Quick Pull. The NW Quick Pull is a highly efficient and innovative tool designed for electricians and professionals working with electrical wiring. Known for its ability to simplify and speed up the process of pulling and installing wires, the NW Quick Pull is a must-have tool for anyone involved in electrical installations. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: efficient wire pulling. The NW Quick Pull is designed to quickly and easily pull electrical wires through conduits, reducing the time and effort required for installations. The tool's unique mechanism allows for smooth and consistent wire pulling, even in long or complex runs. Number 5. M18 Fuel Wringer Roll Groover. The M18 Fuel Wringer Roll Groover is a high-performance, cordless tool designed for professionals in the HVAC, plumbing, and metal fabrication industries. Known for its power, precision, and efficiency, the Wringer Roll Groover simplifies the process of creating grooves in metal pipes, making it easier to join and secure them. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: cordless convenience. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 Fuel battery system, the Wringer Roll Groover offers the freedom of cordless operation without sacrificing power. The red lithium batteries provide long-lasting performance and quick recharge times. High-performance motor. Equipped with a brushless motor that delivers up to 2.5 times more power than traditional roll groovers. Capable of grooving up to 4-inch Schedule 10 stainless steel pipes and 6-inch Schedule 40 carbon steel pipes. Number 6. Woodpecker's Router Plane. The Woodpecker's Router Plane is a precision woodworking tool designed for craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts who demand accuracy and control in their projects. Known for its high-quality construction and versatility, the Woodpecker's Router Plane is ideal for tasks such as cleaning up dados, trimming tenons, and leveling recesses. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: precision machining. The Woodpecker's Router Plane is CNC machined from high-quality aluminum, ensuring precise and consistent performance. The anodized finish provides durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. Adjustable depth control. Features a micrometer-style depth adjustment that allows for precise control over the cutting depth. The locking mechanism ensures that the depth setting remains secure during use. Number 7. Tight Reach Extension Wrenches. The tight reach extension wrenches are innovative tools designed to provide extended reach and enhanced leverage for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Known for their durability and versatility, these extension wrenches are ideal for a wide range of applications, from automotive repair to plumbing and construction. Here's an overview of their features and capabilities. Number 8. Ibenstock Multi-Material Timber Pro. The Ibenstock Multi-Material Timber Pro is a high-performance, multifunctional power tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. Known for its versatility, power, and precision, the Timber Pro is ideal for cutting, grooving, and shaping tasks in construction, woodworking, and renovation projects. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: multi-material capability. The Timber Pro is designed to handle wood, metal, plastic, and composite materials, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Equipped with specialized blades and cutting discs for different materials, ensuring clean and precise cuts. Powerful motor. Features a high-performance motor that delivers consistent power for demanding tasks. Capable of achieving high cutting speeds and efficient material removal, even in tough conditions. Number 9. Sensus Pro. The Sensus Pro is a cutting-edge, smart home device designed to enhance comfort, convenience, and energy efficiency in modern living spaces. Known for its advanced technology and user-friendly interface, the Sensus Pro integrates seamlessly with various smart home systems to provide a centralized control hub for lighting, climate, security, and more. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: centralized smart home control. The Sensus Pro serves as a centralized hub for managing all connected smart home devices, including smart lights, thermostats, security cameras, and smart plugs. Compatible with popular smart home ecosystems like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. Number 10. Hilti Neuron NCV10-22 Cordless Concrete Vibrator. The Hilti Neuron NCV10-22 Cordless Concrete Vibrator is a state-of-the-art tool designed for professionals in the construction industry who require efficient and reliable concrete consolidation. Known for its power, durability, and cordless convenience, the NCV10-22 is ideal for ensuring dense, bubble-free concrete in various construction applications. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Number 11. Woodpeckers The Cameline Dowel Guide. The Woodpeckers The Cameline Dowel Guide is a precision woodworking tool designed to help craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts create perfectly aligned dowel joints with ease. Known for its accuracy, versatility, and ease of use, the Cameline Dowel Guide is ideal for tasks such as cabinet making, furniture construction, and other woodworking projects that require strong and precise joints. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: precision alignment. The Cameline Dowel Guide ensures perfectly aligned dowel holes for strong and precise joints. The self-centering mechanism guarantees that holes are drilled accurately, even in irregularly shaped workpieces. Number 12. PWR Core 40V 300W Inverter. The PWR Core 40V 300W inverter is a versatile and powerful portable power solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone in need of reliable off-grid power. Known for its compact design, high efficiency, and compatibility with Greenworks 40V battery system. This inverter is perfect for powering small appliances, tools, and electronic devices on the go. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Number 13. Diablo Amped Rebar Demon. The Diablo Amped Rebar Demon is a high-performance, specialized cutting tool designed for professionals in the construction and metalworking industries. Known for its durability, precision, and efficiency, the Rebar Demon is specifically engineered to cut through rebar, steel rods, and other tough metal materials with ease, even in demanding conditions. Number 14. Makita Battery Powered Blower. The Makita Battery Powered Blower is a versatile and eco-friendly outdoor power tool designed for homeowners and professionals who need a reliable and efficient solution for clearing leaves, debris, and grass clippings. Known for its powerful performance. Number 15. Makita Battery Powered Wheelbarrow. The Makita Battery Powered Wheelbarrow is an innovative and versatile tool designed to revolutionize the way heavy loads are transported on job sites, farms, and gardens. Combining the convenience of Makita's cordless technology with the functionality of a traditional wheelbarrow, this battery-powered wheelbarrow is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need to move heavy materials with ease. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: cordless convenience. Powered by Makita's 18V LXD lithium-ion battery system, the wheelbarrow offers the freedom of cordless operation without sacrificing power. Number 16. Hilti Yexo T22 Tool Balancer. The Hilti Yexo T22 Tool Balancer is a cutting-edge ergonomic solution designed to enhance productivity and reduce user fatigue for professionals working with heavy power tools. This tool balancer is part of Hilti's Yexo exoskeleton system, which integrates wearable technology to support workers in physically demanding tasks. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: ergonomic support. The Yexo T22 Tool Balancer is designed to reduce strain and fatigue by supporting the weight of heavy power tools, such as rotary hammers, grinders, and screwdrivers. It helps maintain proper posture and reduces the risk of musculoskeletal injuries during prolonged use. Number 17. RYOBI Max Power, power without petrol. The RYOBI Max Power series represents a line of high-performance, battery-powered outdoor tools designed to deliver power without petrol. Known for their reliability, efficiency, and eco-friendly operation. Number 18. Wallabot DIY. The Wallabot DIY is an innovative, wall-penetrating sensor device designed for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want to see inside walls without the need for expensive or complex equipment. This compact and user-friendly tool helps users locate studs, pipes, wires, and other objects hidden behind walls, making it an essential tool for home improvement projects. Number 19. Festool Mobile Dust Extractor Cleantech CT36. The Festool Cleantech CT36 Mobile Dust Extractor is a high-performance, portable dust extraction system designed for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand clean and efficient workspaces. Known for its superior filtration, robust construction, and versatility, the CT36 is ideal for use with power tools like sanders, saws, and drills, ensuring a dust-free environment and improved air quality. Number 20. ArborTech Ball Gouge. The ArborTech Ball Gouge is a specialized woodworking attachment designed for angle grinders, offering woodworkers and carvers a unique and efficient way to create hollows, sculpted curves, and organic shapes in wood. Known for its precision, versatility, and ease of use, the ball gouge is ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts looking to add intricate details to their projects. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: unique design. The ball gouge features a spherical cutting head with sharp, replaceable blades that allow for smooth and controlled material removal. The ball-shaped design enables users to create hollows and curved surfaces with ease. Number 21. Hilti Neuron PR. The Hilti Neuron PR is a cutting-edge, cordless rotary hammer drill designed for professionals in the construction and renovation industries. Part of Hilti's Neuron battery platform, this tool combines power, durability, and cordless convenience to deliver exceptional performance in demanding applications. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Key features: cordless convenience. Powered by Hilti's Neuron battery system, the PR model offers cordless freedom without compromising on power or runtime. The Neuron batteries provide long-lasting performance and fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime on the job site.